Okay, good day everyone. So this would be the last topic of the lesson, the meaning of the human being. So the lesson title would be your purpose. Okay, so in this lesson you will be able to know how and where man draws his life meaning. So by this question, so how do you live your life, or how do you need to live this life, no? So you must answer this question with your own thoughts, no, and thinking, no? So why do you need to live this life? So let us focus on this statement. So existing without examining why you exist is not living at all. So do you agree or disagree with this statement, or what are your thoughts on this idea? So according to Mark Heidegger, he started the idea of Dasein, so or the state of existing. So he said that a person should live authentically by truly understanding his or her action. So this statement ngayon nga, existing without examining why you exist is not living at all. Very difficult nga ano no thoughts, no, but have a good or deeper meaning. So according to Albert Camus, that being alive is meaningless as man is thrown into the universe to experience difficulties and routines. So his ideas is embodied in his piece, the myth of Sisyphus. So where Sisyphus kept pushing a boulder to the hill only to have it rolled back down in the morning. So he would need to push it repeatedly. So Camus believes that there is no meaning attached to life because human beings simply exist and face challenges that life has for them. So what do you think of this? That's according to Albert Camus. So the myth of Sisyphus. So people live and wake up every day, so doing the same routine but still find purpose in what they do. So many people wake up, have breakfast, work, eat their lunch, work again, go home, have dinner, and sleep. So the next day, they will do the same. But even if they do the same thing repeatedly, they still need to find it purpose in it. That's the myth of Sisyphus. Okay, so where do people find their purpose? First is the pleasure and happiness, so seeking wealth and flourishing life. Second is honor and courage, so seek success and legacy. Third is wisdom and knowledge, so this seeking a higher understanding of the world. And last is charity and love, seeking to help society. So those who purpose a wealthy and those who pursue a wealthy and prosperous life seek joy and satisfaction. So those who chase their dreams seek bravery, determination, and respect. And those who are dedicated to understanding the world keep on studying to find the truth, seek wisdom and knowledge. So those who find ways to help and develop their society and maintain harmonious relationship with others seek charity and love. Okay, so in this activity, no, so another one half crosswise paper. So after doing this task, you submit this to your class president. So think a person you believe had lived a life of purpose, and why do you think so? What is the meaningful and purposeful life for you? So it is an individual activity. You think a person you believe had lived a life of purpose. Share his or her story with by writing and explain why you think the person lived a life of purpose and reflect on what is a meaning and purposeful life. So And after answering this, you submit the paper sa inyong class president, no? So, according to Socrates, life's meaning and purpose are distinct, no, to an individual. So it is also non-physical. So a person who achieve a fulfilled life pursued the kind of life revealed to him or her through his or her existence, relationship with others, challenge he or she overcome and goals. So are not life's meaning and purpose are not found in material things, because life can also be revealed to a person through relationship with others, challenges and success, action, dreams and goals, determinations, and so on. So as a person's life progresses, these events become familiar to him or her, and each is marked with different experiences that can be summarized as a meaningful or not later on his or her life, no? So this would be the end of, or the last topic, or the last lesson of the topic, the meaning of the human being. So, and I hope you do your task and submitted with to your class president. So, and I hope you learned something from this lesson and all the previous lesson we have discussed. So, and that would be all this day, and goodbye everyone.